Hello friends, this is your friend Arun from Live in Germany channel. So today I'm back again with daily news guys. So for those who are new to this channel, I'm Arun. I make videos regarding integration in Germany, scholarship, tax return, daily news, and a lot of other updates. So please do take the extra second to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon, or you can even go one step further by joining the people in the Facebook groups, Telegram group, WhatsApp, or you can even send me a personal message so that I can join you in the WhatsApp broadcast link, or I can add you in Telegram also. A lot of good discussions are happening there. I would invite you all to be there personally. So let's move on to today's news. Today we have four news, and the first news is actually from Germany. It's a sad news. Today there was a shootout as per the information I got from the police announcement at 6:30 today. It happened at Rot am See. Six people have been shot and they are dead. It was made by a German who is 26 years old. And unfortunately, it was revealed that all the people who died in this incident are family members. So three males and three females. So one of them is 36 male and rest is like 65, 66. The same age similar is also for the female. So one is father and mother, and the other four are relatives. It seems another person is also injured and is in hospital right now. And the person has also threatened 12-year and 14-year-old children. We don't know like the reason behind it, but it has been said like the person who shot these people has a licensed gun actually with him, and he's been living in this house with his parents. And due to some reason, this shootout has happened, unfortunate, and this person himself has called the police and told that he has committed a crime. The police arrived to the scene and made sure that nobody could enter, and the investigation is going on. I would update you with the other news. This city is situated close to Stuttgart, I would say, in the big cities, and it's border of Baden-Württemberg and Bayern actually. So thanks for this guys. So next news we have is from China. So I'm sure you all heard about this virus called coronavirus. And today it has been officially announced that 13 cities will be completely blocked from the outside world. And because of this, almost 43 million Chinese people will be affected, even those who went for Chinese New Year. So what is this all about? So we have heard like there's a new virus that's something similar to SARS, which came much earlier. And this virus is actually killing a lot of people due to its bad effects. And almost now 4,000 cases has been registered in particular cities, especially Wuhan, and this city is completely closed from outside entry and exit. So Chinese government is making sure that people, it will not move to a pandemic effect, so they are making precautionary steps. The other countries which are actually affected by this, please do make note: Singapore has reported cases, United States, Vietnam, Thailand, and Japan especially. And Germany is also making precautionary measures and making sure that people who arrive from China and people who are going to China are prepared for this, to face this, and they are also preparing themselves medically. So this is the new news we have regarding the coronavirus. So please do be safe, and if you're traveling to China frequently, please do take the necessary precautionary steps and tell your family members. And the next step, next news we have is also from a virus, unfortunately. This is regarding the influenza effect this year. So this has been very bad. So influenza is something like fever, which we call it. So what happened is there has been 13,500 cases so far that has been officially set by the government, and almost 30 people have died from October if we take a statistic. So we don't know why this is happening, but there has been a spread of this influenza. So please do make sure you have the vaccination if you have low immunity, or if you're pregnant, or if you have a baby, I mean a child who's going to kindergarten or doctor. So this is the advice from the government. So this influenza vaccination, you can have it right at your doctor. So please do approach him, and then he will tell you like how to get it done. So this is also slowly spreading. Last week alone, around 4,500 people got affected because of this influenza. When I had cold, thank God I didn't get any influenza. I pray that every one of my subscribers who are watching this video will also not be affected. So the last news we have for the day is actually from Apple company. The EU regulations wants to create one charger for all the cell phones in order to reduce the amount of e-waste that's been produced. You know, the electronics waste, these wires, conductors, which are thrown out into the landfills or recycle, whatever, but still it's a lot of waste. But unfortunately, Apple is a company which has said like, no, we will not create or go with the common charger thing, because we want the free space to create an new technology, and this would actually hamper our thing. So they say also complaining that we already have given a lot of charges for AirPods and iPads and so on. So this could actually this should be thrown when we have to provide a new charger, which is also e-waste. But still, the EU government is trying from last 10 years to create this common charging. So now we are all having USB-C. The old USB chargers are fading away slowly. So they want to make sure laptops, pads, cell phones should all have same kind of chargers, so that the amount of waste, and also from a consumer point of view, we don't have to carry a lot of wires. I have a bag full of wires in my laptop bag, so I would be happy if something like this actually comes. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please do make sure you click on the subscribe, share this with your friends, and join the Telegram so that you get updates on house ads. Even you can post like job requirements or your profile to get opinion. So thanks for watching and have a nice day and great weekend. I'll come Morgan tomorrow with a very interesting video, and bye bye.